Boom! Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to Poke Live, home of the Pokemon. Hope you all having a good day. I'm having a terrific day. Let's jump into it. So I'm doing a product unboxing over here. Okay, a Pokemon mat, a Playmat. So let's jump and check it out. If you guys want to see where I bought it, it's on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with these guys. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Be my guest and do check it out, yo. All right. Actually, there's two things in here, which I think is kind of weird. So this is the main thing that we're looking at right now. Put the package over here. All right. So there's not much to say. It's in a wrapper. You open it up like this. And there we go. There's the mat. Nice and beautiful mat. See, this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool. You know, it's plain, but very nice. The colors are actually, like, I don't think it makes the camera, you can't really see how nice the colors are. It doesn't do justice to it. I kind of like the feeling of it. I've bought some of these masks before, and they were rolled up, and it's like it doesn't want to like decompress. There's always kinks in it. I don't know why, but this one is perfect. All right. I might not be big enough. I might need to buy more for my table. Let me just show you guys right here. This is what it looks like. So there you go. There you have it, guys. If you want to look at the product, like I said, there's going to be a link in the description. I've actually paid in Canadian currency because I'm from Canada. I've paid $39 and some odd change. It's 14 inches by 25 by 24 inch. If you all want to know what size the product is, but yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. If you guys got questions, leave them in the comments. I'll see you guys in the comments. Please, subscribe. It does help. Hit a like, drop the like, and put the notification on. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out. Love y'all. Take care. Good night.